By replacing maize with cassava root, you are not only saving money, but also providing your chicken with a well-rounded diet. In this video, I'm going to be mixing chicken feed using cassava root. Cassava is a crop that can easily be grown or obtained at a cheaper price than maize and can be used to feed your chicken. You can see chicken here pecking on the cassava root while I am preparing it. As I've always said that I learn a lot by observing what chicken do. So I'm going to be taking my cassava roots and I'll grate them into smaller particles. This is our grated cassava. I've cut them into smaller pieces. I'm going to be adding in different greens. I have here papaya leaves. I have here amaranth. I have here blackjack. I am going to cut them and add them to the cassava. You can use different herbs that are available to you. If you want to know some of the herbs that you can add to your chicken feed, I'm going to link to those videos in the description below. If you love this content and you're new to our channel, just go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell such that anytime we release another video, you'll be notified. So this is the mixture of the greens and the cassava. So to this I'm going to add an equal amount of maize, broken maize. I'm going to add, this is concentrate, the nutrient concentrate. And then I'll mix everything up. And this is what I'm going to use to feed the chicken. For even better results, you can ferment this feed such that you increase the probiotics available to the chicken. I'll be covering that in our next video. Until then, God bless you.